welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Holly, and today I'm sharing a collaboration video with you. It is for a Super Bowl party menu, so it's any type of appetizers, desserts, drinks, any type of food that you want to have at a Super Bowl party. So I think you'll find a lot of content, a lot of ideas on different things you can have at your Super Bowl party if you're having one. And it is being hosted by Desiree from Mama Friendly. And I will leave her link below in the description box, so be sure to check her channel out. And her channel consists of different variety of things. She's a stay-at-home mom and she homeschools. So if you like that type of content, she has that on there. She does unboxings and cooking sometimes. So just check her channel out and see the content that she has. I will also leave the playlist down below and link that so that way you can go and check the other YouTube content creators and check their channels out and see what they've made. Please go and support them. Also, my channel consists of cooking, baking, the occasional DIY, shopping hauls, and grocery hauls when I am able to get those up. I am trying to do more of those, so hopefully you will see that type of content more on my channel. Now I'm going to show you how to make, in my video, mini muffulettas. It's a Louisiana, New Orleans recipe. I'm not sure if you've had this anywhere in other states, but it's a really good sandwich and you can get the ingredients pretty much anywhere. I'm pretty sure that everything that I'm using to make this is something that you would be able to get wherever you live. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you how to make these mini muffulettas. Now the one I'm showing here is actually a regular size muffaletta that I bought from our grocery store, and this is really what the original muffaletta looks like. Now the bread was really fresh, so it kind of tore a little bit. It got a little bit mashed in the packaging, but it's an Italian bread basically, and you will have what's called an olive salad on top, and you can buy that in the store, and it just has some basic meat, but this is what it looks like when it's on the right side, when it's cut and toasted in the oven. It is a delicious sandwich. Now if you don't like olives, then this probably would not be for you, but it really is a good flavored sandwich. Now it takes very simple ingredients, and you will need the Italian bread. Now I got this at Walmart, and that would be the best bread to use because when they make the muffaletta, it's usually a round Italian bread. But if you cannot find that, you can always try using ciabatta bread and see if that will work. You don't want anything that's too soft. It needs to be enough where that olive salad will hold that olive salad better. A soft bread, it would just soak through. So you need something with a little toughness there. But the Italian bread here worked really great. And this is the olive salad. It's an Italian olive salad. Walmart has it. You may be able to find a recipe to make it also online. If you were to search for Italian olive salad recipe, it should come up with a recipe. Now, smoked ham, Genoa Salami, and Provolone cheese. And this is it. That's all the ingredients. So the first thing I do is cut that Italian bread in half, and then I just take a little bit of that oil and just spread it onto the loaf before I start to add the actual olives, because you do not put any mayonnaise, mustard, anything like that. This is the topping, the condiment for the sandwich, and it is delicious. So you just will spread that on. You don't want to soak it through. You're just kind of just putting it on just a little bit, just to wet the bread a little bit. You want the bread to have some moisture to it. You don't want it to be dry. Now you're going to put 4 layers of the smoked ham, and that's the first layer that you will put. And it's okay for it to hang over the sides. You really kind of want that. That's how the muffaletta is made. It is stuffed. So it has a hefty amount of the meat in this. So put your first layer down, and as I said, you will put 4 layers of the ham. Now you will add the Genoa or Genoa, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but add that salami, and you want it to be that type of salami. But I think I added about 8 slices of that, and you will only add 1 layer. And now you will add the provolone cheese, and you do the same where you put the layers on each side. And I believe I used 10 slices for this, and you will only put 1 layer. Now I'm going to add the olive salad to this. Now it does have a lot of oil in there, so what I try to do is get mostly the olives and not so much of the oil. You do want the oil, but not, you just don't want it to be, because it will be sort of greasy. And sometimes muffalettas are like that, but I try to not put as much of the oil onto the cheese. So I also take and put some of that olive salad into a different bowl, so that way I'm able to control how much of that oil goes onto the sandwich. Now the Italian olive salad it consists of extra virgin olive oil. It'll have mixed pickled vegetables such as cauliflower, carrot, celery, red pepper, pimento, salt, black olives, capers, and garlic and spices, and the green olives, if I didn't say that. But that's what it consists of, and it's really delicious. So you can even put this in a regular salad if you wanted. Now just put the top of the bread on, and you want to press it down some, and you will put this on a parchment paper on a pan, which we were doing to begin with. I meant to mention that. Put it in the oven on 350 for about 10 minutes, just until that cheese melts. You want to heat the olives and the meat through. You're just heating it through, basically. Now I took skewers and positioned those on the bread to where I would want to cut these. Toothpicks are a little too small, so skewers work a lot better. And all I do is just cut through, and just whatever size you want to make these. You can even make it large ones or small ones, just whatever you would prefer. And the skewers actually help keep everything intact, so nothing falls out of the bread. So if you can get skewers, I would definitely use those. Now once you have it cut this way, then I'm going to turn that pan around, and I'm going to cut just basically down the middle, and then that will give you the mini muffalettas, and that's it. And you can see all of those ingredients in there, and it really is, it's one of my favorite sandwiches, other than a shrimp po' boy or a roast beef po' boy. Muffalettas are pretty much number 1 there. Now once you have them cut, just put them on a tray, and you just serve them at your Super Bowl party or whatever event that you have. These are so good. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in seeing more videos like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That will notify you when I post new videos. And please don't forget to check out the playlist. The link will be down below in the description area. And don't forget to check out Mama Friendly's YouTube channel. Her link will also be in the description area. And I enjoyed doing this collab with her and everyone else, and I hope that everyone has a blessed day and a great weekend coming up. God bless y'all.